anyamfo so dia ya twas na mo yeda so gina privileges committee enra wa court na se na nko ya no musa yewura Kennedy akompra kwa Japan wano baba be pe omonim na ni nsem bia bedu omonim no wa baba yi ne ho no amanfo be kai a adwura basabasa no esi ye no opani nsem bia okeka fansan shofo ni chichium yewura na se enua Erastus asare donko aye dwuma multimedia kwani afa so na dwuma Kennedy Japan chere entwa yie eka bi ana nema jensamu eje bambofo nsam ewo adwura anu nti so ndie zanko mambani panka Erastus asare donko nko be china fe obema nkrofo buna mono nkasa unusampa wodi nsehunum ewo yemamu na mai dia sebeba ni nyina be frinsa ntrofo na aba ensam ye okai anyam nimpa bebrede anu nti empanyimfo bia memra hyewjafo ne yichium alasan suhini wayatamalef ayatamale nof mrashabajani na openi tabrini nsam ni kodu privileges committee anim sa openi eni adini amahosam mrashabajani entmin kasasa ezenza wankasa uko kansem kroye bi efa Ahmed Swale ho ade achi ya nan dipa ko fo bi akobo ni tu asese ye hunu nipa omkodi sanya mransam no endi sane osan ko kan bi ade afa Rastos asare don ko ho etwase atwomba gina mranim na mra eni udie enu ntianro da na nkomo ya no musa yewura Kennedy akompra kwa Japan ba bepie privileges committee animum na fe nsem bia ho so mbisa no omo bisa no so no ye bia ho no omo ade amono nanso enom ko transe anopa no ndu na omaye dum no du ba ko boy na Kennedy maye afa dum ye no bo Kennedy maye don kwa bo Kennedy maye ade na omo ye afa mbebo na Kennedy akompra kwa Japan ehwi na ni ai na ni sade onte na so nim hwe no eno ena enein Tamalenov member of parliament yewura ni monyamfo Alhassan Suhini said si anwa da Kennedy Japan wonti me amamra shawedwamum privileges committee animonum chirasa papa no oyehu for pa.
So it came to me as a surprise when the committee indicated that they have not been successful at, inviting him yet due to the fact that he is out of the country. I find it unfortunate. I think that it amounts to an act of cowardice because we've all known about this case for some time now, and given the bravery he shows at his comfort zone, one would have thought that he would be eager to make himself available for the committee to serve him, and for this matter to be dealt with and decided upon by the committee and by extension the House. So I find it quite disappointing that his bravery only is exhibited and demonstrated in that comfort zone around Martina. He is elected to represent a constituency and to do business for the people of Ghana, and so I do not find any other business under the circumstance that will be more important outside the jurisdiction of this country than what is at stake. I mean, you're talking about a threat to the life of a citizen, for that matter, a journalist, as a member of parliament, claiming support from, the government and showing blatant, disregard to establish protocols and code of ethics that is required of us as journalists. One would have thought that he will want this matter resolved, even if he believes that he is right in doing what he is doing. And that should be more important to him than any other business outside the jurisdiction.
Alasan Suhini Tamalenov mrashewejani na wacha Kennedy Japan na kuko drone ne mranto ansam no Madina hona otene nkwa no ye no enu ofa nkompo na akwako pietashi ani nungwa enti ono de hwamode pa wo hwanum esebresem empanyimfo bayire ne kete no asabe pi omonimu
na kuko drone
Madina nkwa ko bebia
Samo ati for ya twa kasebon so amamo na wusho NPP amanuko no a wo mo mpanyimfo a wo mo kasa mo wo mo anase nkitahodi abafotenefo na enumu no monyamfo adoma ko bafi anase owurai odi akwatene wo mu pa wo ka ho communication team no na wakasa for face the country na anu ada demonstrators anase nkofo mo to mo gu montene so mrantie pa ni maba wo mo kyerese enema ekoso wo man Ghana ha entwa yi a o man no agency pinti wo yo ye chete nteskoko edi kira ba mu mpanyimfo no wakasa afa wo chese saa demonstration a wo ye no aso mu gina afa ba ko pe ene se Omesi kasem economy e wonko ano mo hwe e no mo ye ho demonstration e no mo ja enhye papa bro ni peka se policies a aban ba ye wode agu akwam no eto ho e na ba bi pa akopɛ no mo hwe ano mo ye ho demonstration e ye dede e wo my Ghana ha no osi no achi ankasa kra no demonstration dede mo ye nyina wo mo ntumi ankasa bia e ye de nhye agu akwam eniema a ye bɔ ho dawuru na se ye bɔ kokosa nya no e bia ye nhye ye solutions a ye de ma eni empanyimfo amfa so na wo mo fa nso wo sa ha no nyina mfiri ho wo se saa niema no wo mo ntumi amfa bia nwa akwam ankyerɛ mpanyimfo ensiesie kwan a wo mo emfa so ɛna wo sa kyerɛ sɛ MPP amemo ya mampanyin na danko akufo adodanu country wa fix dada a kyerɛ so gu akwa mu a wo biebie nwuma ani adeade a enti so obi so wo ni nyina na obeti ne ho agumontere so no ɔyɛ kyerɛ enwanwa pa ha
tinua no wo mo atimi anyira bibia anyira so sɛ wei na ban ne yɛ so munya bibi gyina so kura na wo yɛ sei a nkebetumi aboa ɛno so na kehu they didn't provide solution tinua no na kyerɛ they didn't omo yɛ the essence of propaganda is the presentation of one side of the picture only. Sa propaganda nyina ni se wo ka fa semba akopɛ no aka no janka yi nyina bi na ɛno nso ne ade a yɛn MPP fo ɛne aban no ɔn si gyina so ne asie di kire yɛn kan hwɛ employment ɛyɛ adwuma sɛm wɔn mo hwɛ adwuma ni wɔ kwa yɛ adwuma between 2012 2016 wo yɛ nurse ani mfo adwuma wo yɛ teacher ani mfo adwuma civil servants ni mfo mo adwuma na na dan ko akufo adoba yɛ no ɛyɛ napko elipa 100,000 ɛsa a teacher fo a ɛyɛ 100,994 egu so fa no than say nurses any other health workers 100,000 1 year for maybe 70,000 extension officers or Ministry of Agri and also 5,000 environmental health officers 1,174 yeah for and any per demonstration and run a holiday it is any pabaya and you don't any per 2,000 not just a normal official and also the teachers inquire 100,000 now they 5,000 juma your company and suppose soldier for immigration fire need the keka one year close to 50,000 and don't say mo dia no it defies mo dia mo ka no
Ora adumako befi wakasa ema NPP amanyuku no
fix the country demonstration na no eba so no ena opani bako di mo akotene pa ya from Ernesto Yeboa okuo bi from Economic Fighters League Omo se damo eji oyekire ne mu oni nyina etimi akọ awiye pam na opani Ernesto Yeboa akire na dwen oyekire akire na dwen kire nyina no se Ghana mamra kunini ade bo mai ho bra eyer afietintu na afiapem ankro ne ade akro mienu no 1992 constitution no emfaso bia ne so mai biem enti ebre no nya wie du se samra no yeyisi nchen kura enye se onye nsakra mo da bi enye cross bi na enya no omo pese ifri mu ena enye se article bi ena enkoyi o de o kire se constitution nyina ra efri tire kosi tire kankan tu kankan yan pianto nchen ba bi kura esan so nya de aboa omempuntu ene ne nchechire ena mzantrofo bi san say na so kan de wonche mu ne sen ena se ane no ne sen na amene sa omei ba ko e emra ba ko ya so tumi nyina de ko kobra ne kukum se panyan de opa no oye mampeni wa Ghana ha asa sabi nyankopo firi na we ho e obi ntimi nka osam udi se hunu wa banya no sana asa konya no so krompa obi ntimi nka hwe na de opesa de opa na we ye enti samra no e kase piato nchen na eno achi na o kire se emra krompa de bo ma ho brade e kase enya omamu nyina chitaye na za constitution we enya Ghana fo nyina na fo so o kire se nya papanti ye mpianto nchen
o my Ghana a new constitution and that new constitution has to be written by all of us based on our hopes and aspirations as a people, and we passed the vote of no confidence in current 1992 constitution. Yeah, call round near gather 1 million signatures and need. A constitution, first of all, must have the support and ownership of the people. Once the people reject it outright, it has no basis to remain as a legal, legitimate document that has any binding effect on anybody in society. We're not asking for a constitutional review. We are asking for an abolition of the 1992 constitution. That is why it will be replaced with a new constitution. Removing that constitution way and replacing it with a new one. That's the step. That's what we have the code. When the police and other institutions of state work for the benefit of the people, and the other a point where the institutions of state work to benefit all of change in the constitution is the first step to building that society. that you are looking for.
Yo, enti Ernesto ya bo ano no wa kire se enche kram betie Simontene so amount am edu